Hey guys, so this is a quick video in which I'm going to compare the Pit Boss grill with the Traeger Ranger. What are the things to be aware of? So primarily the cooking area is 176 square for the Ranger comparing to the Pit Boss 256. So the Pit Boss is like better in this regard if you want to actually like use it, and that's the first thing. Also, hopper capacity, Traeger got 8. Then temperature range is better for the Pit Boss. You get like 500 Fahrenheit for it, and the open flame searing up to like 1000 even. So that's great. Now for even more, you have like 10 increments also better for Pit Boss Tabletop, and they're like both are like good options for you to get. So that's also good. Now, another very important thing that you have to be aware of is that both got long warranty, 5 years plus, and they're both heavy. The primary, like the Ranger pellet grill, is heavy, so that's something to be aware of when you're gonna like pack it somewhere. So if you want to have like even more precise temperature control, you can go with a Traeger Ranger or Keeper Warm mode for holding food, let's say even, and longer warranty coverage. You can go with Traeger Ranger. But if you, let's say that you want to go with the Pit Boss pellet grill, you can choose that if you want to. And this is a good option too. So you can have like better value, depends like where you're buying it. More cooking space, this is like important, lighter weight, and flame searing capability, and a grill cover included. So that's the primary difference there. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.